Children, in this video we are going to recall chapter 5 Commando the Turtle for the pre-annual exam. Yes, already we have learnt in this lesson basic commands in logo, turtle movements, then what are the rules in turtle movement. Let's revise. Yes, come. The basic commands in logo for movements forward, for forward FD, right? For backward BK. This is a short form of the move commands. Then turn command RT for right, LT for left. So these are the basic commands in logo screen. Already we have learnt in the last lesson how to open the logo screen in the computer. Yes, let's go. Here this is for forward. We can give turtle movement FD 100 or 50 means it will move forward. Then BK, this is for backward. Then if you have to turn left, give the command LT, left turn. L for left, T for turn. The same thing for right turn. Yes. Next, these are the rules for we have to use the turtle in the logo screen. First, for the shortcut form we should use for backward, forward, left turn and right turn. Shortcut keys for direction we can use the movements, right? Yes, give the space between commands and steps. We should give the degrees of the command, 50 degree, 100 degree, 90 degree, like that. It will move for the following commands. Then at last, after given the command, we should execute. We should select execute button. Use execute button or enter key to run the command. Yes. Now, here these are the basic commands already we have learnt. Let's see in the screen. First, step 1. Type the command in input box. So this is the input box already we have learnt. So we should type the command for forward means FD 100. Then the turtle move forward 100 steps. Right? Turtle is moved 100 steps here. So after that, click on execute to move the turtle. First type the command in the command box, then click on execute button. It will move 100 steps forward. This is a forward command. Then this is for backward. Already we have moved forward 100. So after that we should give the command BK 200. Type the command in the input box. This is input box for commands. So BK 200. Then click on the execute button. Click on the execute to move the turtle. So the turtle is moved 200 steps backward. Yes, can you see the screen? Right. Yes, the next one, right command. So for the right command the shortcut key is RT. So right turn. Already we have given 100 degree forward and BK, that means backward 200, then right turn 90. So the turtle can turn only 90 degree right turn. So it turns right here, right? Then execute the button, it turns right. Then we should give forward or backward any other commands. After that, right turn. The next one, left command. That means the same thing of right, it turns left. After that, you should type LT 90 or 45, whatever it is. Then the turtle will turns left. Okay, here already right turn 90, then forward 100. That means move 100 steps forward and execute it. Then the turtle moved 100 steps forward. Then after that, we will give the command LT45. That means the turtle is turned 45-degree left. Left turn. Then execute the command. It turns left. Right? Yes. These are the basic commands. What are the commands? For forward, FD. For backward, BK. Turn left, LT. Turn right, RT. So, listen children. Look at the picture. You should practice these commands in your computer. Give the commands like this. Here, first, forward 100. So, we should draw a square. So, we need the commands like this. The first one, forward 100. So, the command moves forward 100. Then, right turn, RT 90. So, the turtle will turn right here. Then, forward 100. The turtle will turns right, RT 90. Then, forward 100. Then, the turtle will turns for move forward, then RT 90, then at last forward 100. So these are the basic steps in this lesson we have learnt. Okay, next. Shall we quick review? Yes. For the turn commands, what are the commands? For turn, RT, BK, LT. Which one is for turn? RT and LT. Right, because BK for a move command. Good. Then for the move commands, what are that? Not for BT, forward. Right? This is a move command. Then, yes. Listen babies. Click the outputs to find the commands. Okay? Look at the screen. This is the output. We should find the command. What is in this? Right. Here, for the turtle moves forward. So, forward 100. Only forward 100. Because the turtle didn't turn any side. So, forward 100. So, click the outputs to find the command. This is for the first one. So, the next one, forward 100, then the turtle turns right. So, RT 90. So, FD 100, then RT 90. This is for the second one. Right. The last one, already the turtle moved forward 100, then backward 100 also. So, this is a command for this output. Right? Yes. Do the revision children. Thank you.